Are you experiencing excessive shedding, thinning edges, breakage, and slow hair growth that has continuously caused you pain? You've tried a lot of things, but nothing seems to work. No worries, you have come across the right video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare an extreme DIY hair growth oil using very potent and powerful combination of natural herbs and carrier oils. This recipe is designed to support a healthier scalp, reduce dryness and breakage, and retain more of your hair growth. And in 90 days of using this hair oil consistently, you are going to be marveled by your hair. Your hair will shock you. You're not just going to be learning about hair growth, you're also going to be learning a whole lot of new things too. Don't miss out on this video. Make sure that you have your book and your pen very, very close to you.
I can't imagine doing all that again.
Hi there, I see you. Welcome once again. Please make sure that you like and subscribe if you haven't, okay? So now when it comes to hair growth, it is very, very important that you pay close attention to your hair roots. Hair growth happens in circles. We have the anagen, catagen, and the telogen. The anagen is the growth phase where hair can actively grow for years. The longer the phase, the longer your hair becomes. Then we have the catagen. This is the short transition period where growth slows and the follicle shrinks. Then we have the telogen. This is the resting phase where hair eventually sheds and is replaced. Genetics, hormones, age, nutrition, all influences how your hair grows naturally. When cells inside the hair follicles rapidly produce new hair strand, hair oil supports this phase indirectly. So hair oil is a necessity for hair growth. Let's get to it. Our first ingredient right here is rosemary. Rosemary is a powerhouse ingredient because it actually helps to support scalp circulation and reduce breakage. Rosemary supports a healthy scalp movement and helps to improve the hair density over time when properly diluted in a carrier oil, and it also helps the condition of the scalp, which helps to prevent it from dryness and breakage. Very, very important. Using the right ingredients in making your hair growth oil is very important. You don't want any ingredients that will strip your hair from oil, because once your hair is dry, breakage is bound to happen. The next is fenugreek seeds. The herbs and the oils were carefully selected. I did not just gather just a random herbs. These herbs are intentional. Okay, fenugreek is rich in natural plant compounds and produces a slippery substance called mucilage. This helps the condition of the hair. It improves softness and reduces friction during handling by minimizing tangles and breakage. Fenugreek helps to support better length retention. So if your hair suffers from retaining length, fenugreek is what you need to add to your recipe. Next is moringa powder. It contains antioxidants, plant compounds, and naturally occurring nutrients. When this is infused into a carrier oil, it helps to condition dry hair, improve softness, and protect a fragile strands from unnecessary breakage. So your hair will stop breaking. See, these herbs, they have just one goal: to stop your hair from breaking and stimulate your scalp. So if you can't get the powder, if you can get the leaf, after you make sure that it's dry, you blend it into your blender, and voila, your moringa powder is ready. Please come down to the comment section and say thank you for sharing this with us. Say thank you. If I don't say thank you, I will not continue this video now. Make sure you say thank you. All right, so the next is black seeds. Black seeds contains a natural compound called thymoquinone, known for its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. When this is properly infused into a carrier oil, it helps to condition the scalp, reduce dryness, and protect the hair against breakage. So the next is cinnamon sticks. We're not going to be using so much of the cinnamon stick. We are just going to be using just 3 sticks from the cinnamon. Cinnamon sticks contains antioxidant plant compounds and is traditionally used in herbal hair treatment to support a healthy scalp environment. It stimulates and circulates hair growth when it's diluted in carrier oil. This helps focus very, very well on the scalp, but it can be very sensitive, so it's advisable to just use just a little amount of it and always carry out a patch test. Let's look at the health benefits. When a piece of cinnamon is placed in your mouth and the teeth crushes it gently, it releases a warm aromatic mix with saliva, and this travels down into the esophagus where the digestive organs breaks it into chyme. Then it moves into the small intestine where active ingredients and enzymes are absorbed into the bloodstream. This supports digestion, metabolism, and overall health. Can you just be marveled at this? Now, we're moving to our carrier oil. So, our carrier oil is coconut oil, castor oil, and olive oil. These are the three very, very strong, potent carrier oils we are going to be using. Coconut oil helps to penetrate and protect hair shafts, reducing protein loss and breakage, while castor oil provides a rich protective coating that helps to seal in moisture, while the olive oil softens the hair and improves manageability. Together, these oils nourish, lubricate, and protects the hair strand, because that is very, very important. Because once your hair strand is weak, there's nothing you can literally do about it. And with this, you'll be able to retain length and support a healthy looking hair. After getting the measurement you want for each of your herbs, pour them into a stainless bowl. So I would just say you can decide on the measurement you want for your herbs. That's depending on the quantity of hair oil you want to make. After doing that, then you pour your carrier oils into your herbs. You want to make sure that your olive oil is 50%, coconut oil is 35%, and the castor oil is 15%, so that it's not too greasy and too thick. Okay, I did not double boil my hair mixture because some of these herbs that I used can lose its potency when it's been heated in fire. So I cover it to sit for at most 2 weeks to a month, depending on how when you want to use it immediately. But if you really want to get a very good result, allow it to sit properly for at most 2 weeks or a month. Okay, after allowing your herbs to infuse in the carrier oil for your preferred time, strain it out with a cheesecloth. I would say you should do this training twice. Okay, so after straining it out, voila, our hair oil is ready. Then you pour it out into your preferred bottle. So as you can see, this oil doesn't really need any preservatives because none of the herbs came in contact with water. Apply the hair generously around the affected area and everywhere you want your hair to grow. And in no time, you are going to be so amused with the results. Just give it 30 to 90 days. Trust me, this is a hair growth oil that works. So we also have our hair growth oil available. Do well to check the description box for further information. Okay, whether you are in Nigeria or outside Nigeria, we have the best hair growth oil for you. Thank you so much for watching, and until then, I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Bye for now.